Let's have a look at a superb GIF made about the discussion whether you should call it a GIF or a GIF. Let's have a look. It doesn't have any sound. And then it starts again. Isn't it beautiful? Very small pieces of film with some text and then made into a story, you can say. This is quite a long GIF or GIF, whatever you want. Just an example to get you inspired. Since I'm an animator, an artist, this is one I love. Of course, you can only animate a part of a picture. Of course, you can develop your own style. Isn't this beautiful? Or better said, you should develop your own style. This is one I love too. Lily Carré. Beautiful, isn't it? Takes a while. Fascinating. You keep looking at all the moving parts. You can find it here on Creative Market and then in the blog. And the article is called The 30 Best Animated GIF Artists on the Web. Creative Market, here it is. Now let's have a look at this. Hey, look over there in the picture. Not your photo, but an animation about what you do. Andrew Hamilton. Beautiful example of creative use of animated GIFs, or I don't think it's a GIF, I think it's an animation. This is from Fiction Factory. First you think this is all still images, but let's hover our mouse over the menu. You see? There comes this little animation. Not sure if it's a GIF. Doesn't matter really. And then as a surprise, let's see what happens if you go here. You think these are all drawn images, but then it reveals the whole picture. Just to give you an idea to be creative with small animations or GIFs.